Yo, hopefully you can see me. I can't see with this. Yeah, that was. I forgot to end it yesterday, but I was so behind, bro. That route was killing me, dog. Luckily, I had like the trolley. I didn't record everything, but I recorded a lot. I think I only recorded like 30 minutes of my route, but the route was like 4 or 5, like 6, 7 hours. But bro, oh, why did I turn the light off? Yeah, I record more if anything happens today. Yeah, what's good, homies? All right, so today is a new day. Hopefully, there's no hiccups, but bro, this one dude, he got like shut up. He got like a van. It's a small van, bro. He had like 3 carts, like a bunch of totes. Ooh, goddamn. And then like a bunch of like overflow was like single boxes, big boxes that couldn't go in like vans and shit. But yo, his van is packed to the brim, bro. Normally when they do that, it means like the person's fast, but bro, yeah, hopefully it's no hicks today. But I had to use the bathroom. I couldn't hold it all day today. But I guess the managers and stuff, they don't like me because I get done slow. Like, bro, all these, I'm not killing myself, dog. Like I said, it's like 4 new people today. They'll replace you in a heartbeat. So I'm not gonna kill myself for no job. I can always find another job. It may take a while, but I can always find another job. Is that a not Mustang? Yes, it is. Wait, bitch, what the fuck is wrong with you? But yo, I recorded like last minute. Bro, it was a sick ass Mustang GT350 that passed by. He did a little pull for me because I did the deuce. I heard him. Yeah, today I'm gonna try to speed it, bro, because it's hard, but it's just the drivers though. And then like people are trying to maneuver through the neighborhood, they driving slow. Then you gotta pay attention to the speed limit, make sure you're not going fast. And I had like unprofessional, like bro, I'm nice to everybody. I speak to everybody. I think, bro, I'm telling you, Virginia is racist as fuck. And I think it's because I'm black and I'm gay too. I already got like 3 strikes on black, gay, and I'm a woman. Ooh, shit, look at that. It's a stinger. And then you got people who like cut you off. And bro, like my thing is like they piss me off. Like they see 2 Amazon vans. Like you don't know if they're following somebody. Like they be cutting us off and shit. Like last minute looking for a check. But luckily they got cameras. So they can see like who's at fault. Like Amazon greedy as fuck, so you know they not gonna get no free money. Give away no free money.
Continue for 2 SR1.
Hey, shut up, bitch.
I think that was one of the most disrespectful things you've ever said to me.
Bro, this fucking speeding shit, bro. Amazon, bro. I understand like the safety thing. Like they should have cameras and shit, but like as far as like speeding, like see like all of us Amazon drivers, we're so concerned about the speed limit. Like sometimes we forget to look at the road. And you can't go through yellow lights either. But I'm gonna listen to my music. I'll catch you on that first stop. Another thing you wanna make sure is to put on the hazards because people are fucking stupid. Yeah, I fucked up the order because they was rushing us. But you only got 20 minutes to like do it. So yeah, hopefully I can get enough to get the Insta360 Pro so I can do that. Cause I love doing Amazon, I really do. Like it's like, I don't know what it is, but like delivering packages is very fun. It's just like the rush aspect of it. And I think like 100 and something stops is good. But I think, I don't know, like, that's because Amazon, like people order so much Amazon. That's probably why, but, and they'll fire you for parking brake. They'll fire you for speeding. Well, obviously running cameras, that I get. They'll fire you for speeding. They'll fire you for like not turning off the car. If you get a certain amount of safety infractions, they'll fire you. And sometimes, like I said, like I said yesterday, sometimes you have to like make sure it's right because sometimes they'll put it's a package, but it's really a box. I like the guy was saying, bro. Like sometimes, like they be talking to you low, where you can't hear them. And what you want to do is you always check this envelope. So always check the notes. Cause sometimes they'll have notes. It'll be like after you got to the location. So this is Okay. Please leave packages on the front porch. It seems as though delivery was attempted, but the package was not left at our house, nor is there a note from deliver. I have never had a problem with Amazon deliveries in the past.
5 Silver Pine Drive.
Vito, gonna give me copyright. Yo, Vito is underrated. But another thing too, like I said, I think I said this yesterday, but bro, they'll see you with an Amazon van and Amazon thing. And I think because you're black or you're Hispanic, they still think, like I said, I did say this yesterday, they still, but for the new people, they still think you're like gonna steal because of who you are. Like, bruh, I'm on my job, bro. It's like they want you to do like bad shit. They want you to be robbers and shit. They want you to live up to that shit. Like, bitch.
Arrive at the destination on Pine Drive.
Okay. Let's go, baby. That's 150. That's what? Damn. See, houses like this. This nice little house. Houses like this. Like, I wish they had the ring door because I would tell them how nice their truck is. So I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it's too bright. Is it too bright? No, it's not bright. Yeah, you see that? Lightning. It's nice. F-150. Bro, I wish, like, my dream truck is a Raptor. But, bro, I wish they could tow. I mean, they can tow, but not, like, what I need to tow, like, race car.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.